Power down your iPhone 6s. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button and pull the display assembly away from the rear case. Use the iSesmo opening tool to slice through the adhesive and help carefully separate the display assembly from the rear case. Take your time and apply firm, constant force. The display assembly is a much tighter fit than most devices and is held down with adhesive. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. Now use the fine-tip curved tweezers to remove the metal bracket and disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws securing the protective metal bracket in place. With the fine-tip curved tweezers, detach the rear-facing camera connection and gently pry the rear-facing camera up and out of the iPhone 6s rear case.